I tell that bitch bounce back, come and hula hoop. Yeah. She get a Grammy for them freaky moves. All my bitches thick and brown like Vinnie Pooh. That booty clapping like it's Fruity Loops. Yeah. All my niggas trapping for the money. $1 make a bitch look sunny. Yeah. A milli turn a nigga to a buddy. Money, cash, rules ain't on me. Yeah. But I still believe they can't take that from me. Yeah. Chill with certain bitches in the backyard. Painting vivid pictures like I'm Renoir. Tats on that bitch like a NASCAR. But she everybody's watching low-key from the side, but I probably never know. Ass so fat you can see her from the front, Kim style, that's for sure. Y'all, all these motherfuckers acting like they innocent. I got your girl